Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a destination drive with enough free space. Open Disk Utility from Applications Utilities, then select File New Image Blank Image to begin. Name the image and pick a size slightly larger than your folder. Once done, set format to Mac OS Extended, journaled, and for encryption pick AES 256 to get strong protection. Make sure to remember the password policy. Use a long passphrase you can recall, but others cannot guess. Now enter a strong password and verify it. Don't save it to the keychain unless you want automatic unlocking. Set partition to one partition and image format to read /write so you can add files later. Select Save and Disk Utility will create an encrypted DMG. This may take a moment depending on size. Once created, you'll see the disk image file in Finder. Mount it by double-clicking and entering your password. This opens a virtual drive where you can move the folder you want to protect. With the encrypted volume mounted, drag your folder into it and wait until the copy completes to preserve file integrity. When done, eject the volume from Finder or right-click and choose Eject. This locks the data behind the password. Test by double-clicking the DMG. If it prompts for the password, you are secure. If you encounter password rejection, check caps lock and keyboard layout first. If still failing, you may need to recreate the image using a verified passphrase and retest precopy to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.